Welcome to Freeman Upgrade Solutions, where everything needs an upgrade. We're upgrading this nice machine here. Things are going to change under here. It's going to look different. There's going to be a beautiful apparatus under here, and it's in the boxes. Here are the boxes, so we're going to do an unboxing. It won't be a really long unboxing. We'll just get into it, see what's in here. It just came the other day, so this up here, see what we got. This is the best place to open it from. These are just all the ancillaries. One thing with unboxing, sharp knife. I believe it's a bracket in there. It looks like it's a bracket to me. I won't worry about that now. Here's some moulded piping. Checklist of parts that would be part of the intake. That's everything for just the bits and pieces. Now we do have another really intriguing box here. So let's have a look and see what's in here. Right. First thing, radiator. Whoop, there it is. Oh, look at that. Cool. Some really good stuff. Oh, look, what's this? What do we got here?
What's that, Dad?
Oh, look at that.
Hey.
Oh, come on. Come on, we just got to look at all the other bits first. Stickers.
Oh, beautiful.
Where are we going to put them? Oh, it's about the injectors. Where are the injectors? It's a box for injectors, there's no injectors
In there somewhere.
hopefully. So, wrapping. If we've got room, let's make room on here for it. That'll fit in there, right?
Got him?
Yeah, got it. That's it. Look at that. Oh, gee. Put some new springs in the front of it. Yeah, yes it is.
Not light.
Woo. What do you reckon about that, mate?
Wow. It's impressive.
They're a nice looking unit, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're sort of upside down because the cooler is on the top on these Harrop ones, which they say is more efficient cooling,
Yep.
and cooling is more consistent power. Injectors are in it.
Are they?
Yeah. Yeah. Part of the manifold. This is what they call a power adder. How's that?
Yeah. Happy with that?
Oh, mate, that is impressive, isn't it? Doesn't that look well built?
Yeah, it looks neat.
Yeah. That is supposed to be a smaller pulley,
Yeah.
which means more power. But I hope it is. What size does it say? 85mm. I hope that's smaller than standard, because it doesn't look it really to me. The smaller the pulley, the more power you get, like the faster it spins. 2.3 litre Supercharger. People are putting big ones on them now. They're going up to 3 litres in the Whipple. But they say that this is a very efficient unit. So I guess we'll find out.
Mm.
Yeah.
Here it is.
That's it. No, I just hope that pulley's a small one.
We'll have to chase that one up.
Yeah, well, I ordered with a smaller pulley, and I paid for a smaller pulley. So we'll find out. You like to look at that?
Yeah, love it. It'll look good in the engine bay there.
Yeah. Impressed?
Hell yeah.
So that is going in there. That's what that'll do.
Oh yeah. That'll make a difference.
Yeah. How many horsepower are you hoping for, Johnny?
Oh, 700?
At the crank. You won't get 700 at the wheels, but what are you hoping for at the wheels? If we get 700 at the crank, 600.
580 or 90?
Yeah.
600?
Anyway, we'll see. There it is. Well, thanks for that. And these are the injector boxes. Of course, there's no injectors in it because they already put them in. But it should say on here what they are. Duty cycle. I thought it was just a box full of stickers.
Might be some in there.
Yeah, this is the sheet, data sheet. So, it's good that they're already in there. We don't have to worry about that.
Yeah, it's handy.
The only thing that I'm not sure is how we get it in.
So what, you reckon that pulley's not the right one?
Oh, I don't know. I'll have to check because that's 85mm, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh.
You see it's really close there, wouldn't it? The bigger one. Yeah, I'll check that out.
Yeah.
It's time for this, but that, I don't have any trouble with the people got us through. That's for me.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Righto.
Thanks for watching. More to come. Next video
Yep.
will be installation. We've also got a engage, and we're going to send a tune off or send its strategy to a tuner, and he's going to change the tune for us so we can put another tune into the engine or into the ECU that'll run the bigger injector so we can drive it. Well, then once we get all this fitted, we'll start it up, we'll drive it in and get a proper dyno done, and we'll see how much power she'll put out. Anyway, that's what's going in it. What a beauty. You little beauty. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, like, subscribe, all that jazz.
Yeah, do that. See you next time.